So we've got all this liquidity. You've already seen the stock market bounce back. There are those who say it's going to go down to 5,000. I'm of the belief it's probably going to continue higher because the Federal Reserve has flooded the banks with liquidity and the money's going to the market, plain and simple. So what it means for real estate, though, is these are really dangerous times and you want to use leverage, but you want to use it wisely. And it's hard to know that with 20% unemployment. That means 1 out of every 5 people walking around don't have jobs. How are they going to pay you? How are they going to pay you your rent? And you don't know the answer to that. So be very selective with tenants. I mean, obviously, if they have government jobs, so much the better. Although now they're saying that some states, some municipalities are going to be laying off government workers. It makes a lot of sense to use leverage, but you have to use it wisely. For instance, if you're getting a duplex and you're going to live in one half of it and the tenant will live in the other half and hopefully pay your mortgage, that makes a lot of sense, or a quad, whatever. I can see that.